How you doing, Judge Garrett?
Okay, I'm doing fine, thank you. And we have Mr. Lucas.
Mr. Lucas is going to call right back in because he was on the audio call.
Okay, great. Okay, so in the meantime, we're going to put a couple of matters on the records with dates, and then Attorney Asphalt, he can check back on non-payment cases. So I believe this is Mr. Lucas.
Yes.
Okay, good afternoon, Mr. Lucas. Your case, this is UC 381 Covington LP versus Marquise Lucas. And all occupants, good afternoon, sir. May I have your name?
Marquise Lucas.
Okay, and Mr. Lucas, you're the tenant at 381 Covington Drive, apartment 306.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon, counsel.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Okay, this is a non-payment of rent case. It's the first hearing, and Mr. Lucas, we're adjourning all first hearings. Your next hearing I've written down is going to be May the 4th at 10:20. It's going to be a remote hearing like it is today. So you'll zoom in at 10:20. So I ask that you zoom in like 10 minutes before your hearing. And we'll go from there. Okay, so do you need to go back into the meeting room and speak with the attorneys?
Okay. I'm in the wrong room. I got to switch to another room?
No.
Just a second. I can put you back in the meeting room. You were in the meeting room with the attorneys. I can put you back in there. Does he need to go back in, Attorney Tate?
No, Your Honor. I think we're all right. I've already spoken with him. Mr. Lucas, is this your correct phone number, 8184?
Yes.
Okay. We'll have somebody contact you probably later today or tomorrow to go ahead and give you all the additional information that you need to know.
Okay.
Okay, have a good day, sir.
Okay, you too. You have a blessed one.
So,
Okay.
Mr. Lucas,
Yes.
Mr. Lucas, go ahead.
I just want to let you know that you are safe in your housing up until the next court date of May 4th, but you have to appear.
Okay.
Okay. Have a good one, sir.
Thank you. You too. You have a blessed one.
Okay, so we're going to put the following matters on the record if Attorney Asphalt is available, and then we'll see if the parties check in. Are you free, Attorney Asphalt, or you need to come back?
I'm free, Judge.
Okay, so let's just put them on the record. The court will give a date, and then if they appear and it's necessary, we will wait for you to return. So just a second. Okay, so we had a case for 150. It's Rebecca. Rebecca, it's you. So we're looking for Rebecca McLiffey, McAulife, case number 213-41961, UC 17725 Manderlin, LP versus Rebecca McLiffey, and occupants at 17725 Manderlin Road, apartment 206. Good afternoon, counsel.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Okay, so the court certainly recognized it's 150, and it's a new hearing, and she was served by posting. She's the tenant at 1725 Manderlin. The court is going to go ahead and give her a date. I'm going to give her a date of May 7th at 9:00 a.m. If she signs in, counsel, that date will be provided to her with the time, and she'll also be given the opportunity to speak with one of the attorneys that are present from nonprofit legal agencies.
Judge, could you spell the defendant's last name?
It's McAulife.
Very good. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, and then we have another matter that's scheduled for 2:00. It's D'Angelo Kennedy, U 17725 Manderlin LP, and he is the tenant and occupant at 17725 Manderlin Road, apartment 308. It's a non-payment of rent case. He was served by posting. It's the first hearing, and we're looking at May the 7th at 9:10 a.m. This hearing is concluded. We also have scheduled for 2:10 today, UC 641 Covington LP, Britannia Littles and all occupants. Miss Littles is the tenant at 661 Covington Drive, apartment B4. It is a non-payment of rent case. She was served by posting, and her hearing is going to be May the 7th at 9:20 a.m. As indicated, if she appears, we'll give her the date, allow her an opportunity to speak with counsel if she desires. The next hearing is going to be Michelle Davison. Case number case number 213411973. It is UC 641 Covington LP versus Michelle Davison and all occupants at 661 Covington Drive, apartment B7. This is a non-payment of rent case. She was served by posting. It's a first hearing. Court's going to give her a 5/7. That's a Friday, 9:10 a.m. hearing. This hearing is concluded. We have one scheduled for 2:30, Gloria Ferguson. Gloria Ferguson, this is case 213411977, UC 850 Whitmore versus Gloria Ferguson. She's the tenant and all occupants. She's the tenant at 850 Whitmore Road, apartment 506. It's a non-payment of rent case. She was served by posting. Her next date is going to be May 7th at 9:20 a.m. She'll be given the same opportunity should she appear to speak with an attorney from one of the nonprofit legal agency, as well be given her court date. It is a first hearing. The next case we have at 2:40 is UC 850 Whitmore LP versus Michael Tate and all occupants. Mr. Tate is the tenant and occupant at 850 Whitmore Road, apartment 408. It's a non-payment of rent case. That person was served by posting and will be given the date of May the 7th at 9:30 a.m., as well as an opportunity to speak with counsel. Now, this person did appear this morning, the next case is UC 361 Covington LP versus Antonio Moore and occupants is 361 Covington Drive, apartment 301. It's case 213411985. Mr. Antonio, he's the tenant at 361 Covington Drive, apartment 301. He did appear this morning about 9:30. He stayed counsel about 30 minutes, maybe 20 or 30 minutes. The court had indicated he could come back this morning and I would hear his case since you were going to be there. It's a first hearing. It's a non-payment of rent. He was served by posting and the court's giving him a May 7th date at 9:30. So what we'll do, counsel, I know you're needed in another courtroom. We'll wait till 3 o'clock to see if any of the tenants, i.e. defendants, appear, and if they do, they'll be given a court date and an opportunity to speak with counsel. If there's any other issues, we'll contact you, and you're free also to check back with the courtroom. Anything else?
Yes, Judge Garrett, on Mr. Antonio Moore's case, he did contact Lakeshore Legal Aid after this morning. We have collected information for him. We're going to send him along to Wayne Metro. Attorney Asfok, is the landlord willing to participate in SARA with this one?
I believe so, yes.
Excellent. Then we'll just shoot this along the process.
Okay, wonderful. And he won't be back this afternoon. Okay, so that's good. He was very diligent in waiting around. Okay, thank you. So we're in recess until the next person appears, until we'll be here to 3. Thank you, counsel, and you're free to check back with us if you desire.